Welcome to Evrika channel. Today we're diving into 10 incredible scientific facts that will completely blow your mind. These facts are not only fascinating but also thought-provoking. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine the tiny grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth. Trillions upon trillions of grains. But scientists have discovered that there are even more stars in the universe. In fact, there are about 200 billion trillion stars. This number is so massive that it's hard for our minds to comprehend. What's even more fascinating is that this is just the observable universe. Who knows how many more stars exist beyond what we can see? Octopuses are one of the most mysterious creatures of the deep sea. They don't just have one heart, they have three. Two of these hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third heart pumps it to the rest of the body. What's even more interesting is their blood isn't red like ours. It's blue. This is because their blood contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which works more efficiently in cold, low-oxygen environments. In other words, octopuses are perfectly adapted to life in the depths of the ocean. Time works in mysterious ways on Venus. This planet rotates so slowly on its axis that one full day lasts 243 Earth days. But here's the twist. It takes only 225 Earth days for Venus to complete an orbit around the Sun. This means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. Imagine being on Venus. You would have to wait for years just to see the Sun rise and set. The human brain is an extraordinary powerhouse. Did you know it generates about 20 watts of electrical energy? That's enough to light up a small LED bulb. What's even more fascinating is that your brain produces this energy all the time, even when you're asleep. This energy comes from the constant firing of neurons, which transmit electrical signals throughout your brain. Essentially, your brain is not just a biological organ, but also an electrical system at work. Ostriches are not only the largest birds on Earth, but they also have fascinating anatomy. Their eyes are so large that they're actually bigger than their brains. The diameter of an ostrich's eye is about 5 centimeters, which helps them spot predators from a great distance. On the other hand, their relatively small brains explain their simple and instinct-driven behavior. This unique anatomy gives ostriches the perfect balance for survival in the wild. Fire burning underwater sounds impossible, but chemistry proves otherwise. Certain materials like magnesium can burn even in water. When these materials react with water, they produce intense heat and flames. This phenomenon is used in specific industrial processes and even in underwater welding. So even in water, the power of chemistry can create fire. We usually think of sound traveling through air, but it moves much faster in water. In fact, sound travels about 4 times faster underwater than it does in air. This is why marine animals like whales can communicate with each other across hundreds of miles. The reason for this is that water is denser than air, allowing sound waves to move more quickly. It's an incredible advantage for creatures living in the ocean. We often imagine the solar system as stationary, but in reality, it's hurtling through space. The solar system is moving at a staggering speed of about 828,000 kilometers per hour as it travels through the Milky Way galaxy. This means we're constantly in motion, heading toward new parts of the universe. The vastness and dynamism of space remind us that nothing in the cosmos is ever still. Stars, like living beings, have a life cycle. They are born when gas and dust clouds condense under the force of gravity. But what's truly fascinating is how they die. Massive stars end their lives in spectacular explosions called supernovae. These explosions release enormous amounts of energy and create new elements that scatter across the universe. In a way, the death of one star paves the way for new stars and even planets to form. The atoms in your body are ancient, billions of years old. They were created in the fiery cores of stars that exploded as supernovae. These star remnants spread throughout the universe, eventually forming new planets, including Earth. This means that the very building blocks of your body, your atoms, are made of stardust. It's a profound reminder of our direct connection to the cosmos. Thank you for watching Evrika channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you want our next video to be about. See you in the next adventure of discovery.